Welcome to SMRS What If, where we take your zanest questions and squeeze the science out of them with a twist of humor. Today's question is a real thirst quencher. What if all water on Earth turned into lemonade? Let's dive into this sweet and sour mess. Picture this. You turn on the tap, and out comes lemonade. Every ocean, river, and raindrop is now a tangy mix of water, sugar, and lemon juice. First, let's break down the chemistry. Water's neutral with a pH of 7, but lemonade's acidic, around pH 2.5, thanks to citric acid. This shift would wreak havoc on ecosystems. Fish, used to a balanced pH, would be puckering up in distress. Imagine a trout with a sour face muttering, "This isn't what I signed up for." Coral reefs would dissolve faster than a sugar cube in hot tea, and most aquatic life would be toast. Now, let's talk sugar. The oceans hold about 1.3 billion cubic kilometers of water. If lemonade has roughly 100 grams of sugar per liter, that's 1.3 times 10 to the power of 20 liters of ocean water, giving us 1.3 times 10 to the power of 19 kilograms of sugar. That's enough to make every human on Earth a trillionaire in candy bars, but it'd also turn the oceans into a sticky, syrupy mess. Marine life would struggle and ships might get gummed up like they're fake sailing through a giant Slurpee. Humans might initially throw a global lemonade party. Stick figures clinking glasses, shouting, "Cheers to the apocalypse." But drinking only lemonade gets old fast. It's too acidic for long-term hydration, and the sugar crash would be planetary. Crops would fail without pure water, and the food chain would collapse faster than a house of cards in a windstorm. So, Lemonade World sounds refreshing, but it'd leave us parched and puckered. Thanks for watching SMRS What If?